make an afternoon snack with me. Absolutely love this snack. So we'll butter our bread. It's been a miserable day today. It's raining outside. If it hasn't hit you yet, it's gonna at some point. The rain, it's literally ridiculous. Like, ridiculous. But at least it cools it down a little bit because the weather's been extremely hot. But if I had to choose out of the two, can you hear that thunder? Oh my god, it's crazy. It's literally thunder out there. If I had to choose, sorry, out of the two, I would definitely go for the heat. I would not choose this weather at all. Got some hummus here. Oh, hummus smells so beautiful. Literally. I'm just going to put it on one side. There we go. Done an early breakfast this morning. I got really, really early. So I am quite hungry. And then we have our Parma ham. I'm going to take 2 slices. Got my little one's dinner ready as well. So I'm just plating up mine so we can eat together. That's the Parma ham. And then we have some chips. I put some salt on these chips already. They'll be quite quite quick right now. There we go. What's that? That's the sandwich done, and it has a bit of everything in there. Nearly cut my hand off. Oh, ouch. That's my sandwich there. It's very nice. Whatever you're having, I hope you enjoy it and enjoy the rest of your day.